have everything measured in 2 meters.
Okay.
The Friends of Kootenay Lake are getting ready to wrap up their water quality monitoring program for the year. This 3-year study, which got started in 2013, aims to collect information mainly from the west arm of Kootenay Lake.
Really, the essence of why we're doing this is to create an important baseline for data in the west arm of Kootenay Lake, which is one of the highest populated portions of the whole lake. We wanted to complement the provincial water quality monitoring that goes on the main body of the lake.
The data being collected in this monitoring program will be used, along with the provincial program's findings, to create water quality objectives for Kootenay Lake.
It's interesting, you know, you look at the water and a lot of people don't understand how do you actually sense the health of this environment, and it's really interesting. So we use a few different tools. We used a dissolved oxygen and temperature meter, which we put this probe down the whole water column and do a profile of it. And dissolved oxygen, temperature, very important for aquatic life. So that's done with a meter and a probe. We also do water clarity reading with a Secchi disc. So it's a round black and white disc, a very kind of crude measurement of the water clarity. And then we also do lab samples where we fill up various bottles and we ship those to Burnaby to Maxim Analytics to analyze for a variety of parameters. So that's the 3 kind of things we do at each site.
The 3 sites being monitored in the project are at Kootenay Creek Park, the 5 Mile Narrows, and just outside of Nelson. In addition, the Friends of Kootenay Lake have teamed up with the Central Kootenay Invasive Plant Council to also do zebra and quagga villager testing.
Villagers are essentially the spores that these aquatic invasive species give off, so we're contributing to that provincial program.
The Friends of Kootenay Lake is currently 70 members strong, and last year had over 35 volunteers actively involved with the water monitoring.
Our real purpose is to engage community members who live around the lake as stewards of the water quality and fish and wildlife habitat. So our job is to engage different groups that live around the lake, different people that live around the lake, and provide opportunities for doing stewardship, whether it's water quality monitoring, shoreline restoration, tips and techniques for people who live on the shoreline. How do you keep your shoreline healthy and you know, conducive to wildlife using it? So those are just some of the things that we're working on.
Once the 3-year project is complete, the BC Lake Stewardship Society will compile all the data into one water quality report for the West Arm portion of Kootenay Lake. For more information on the Friends of Kootenay Lake or the water quality monitoring program, visit their website, friendsofkootenaylake.ca. For Go Kootenays in Nelson, I'm Kristina Kruchkowski.